Go to the Architectural tab, then select Grid or use the G+R shortcut. Click to set the start point of the grid, then click again to set the end point. For horizontal grids, use numbers 1 and 2. For vertical grids, use letters A and B. You can copy or array the grid to create multiple grids. Select the grid, then go to Copy. Click the start point and type 5,000 millimeters. Then for the second copy, type 2,500 millimeters. Now, type G+R again to create a vertical grid named A. Click the grid and change the value to 3,000 mm from the first grid, ... Click to move the start point and add a horizontal value of 3,500 millimeters. Do the same and add 4,500 millimeters. Now you've learned how to create and adjust grids in Revit.